Hi, I'm Tom from AUDAC, and we're here with our MAIA family. What is a MAIA family? It's a processor platform, a new processor platform, which is basically something that we feel it's actually going to be quite successful. Why? Because it offers such a variety of functionalities in a package, which is not really expected at this point. So meaning we've got a two-zone model. So processor that's able to do 2 by 8 ins actually, and we've got a 4-zone model, we've got an 8-zone model, and we've got a 16-zone model. So basically the 8-zone model has 16 inputs, obviously 8 outputs, that's what the name stands for. Then we've got the 16, which is the 24 in, and the 16 outputs that we have. Uniqueness, as I mentioned about them, is the versatility. So you're able to mix, match, combine any panels that we have. So for instance, control panels like the rAVe, which just lit up from proximity. Then we've got the I/O panels, so the WP series, and in a very cost-effective way, because we're using the advantage of our networked platform, obviously, with rAVe, but we can also act very cost-effective by having a differential signal up to large distances, link them up to the panels, control panels, and actually be able to create a multi-zone system in a price range which is quite unexpected and unheard of. Even so, we've got GPIO commands. We're able to do third-party commanding on these platforms. So if you want to find out more about these products, you can always visit our website. Maybe one last thing to mention is that we've got control buttons here, direct commands. So for instance, we could trigger a snapshot, we can trigger a sequence, we could trigger a third-party command just from the front of it, because this product, we feel it's going to be deployed a lot in hospitality, retail environments, where still somebody wants some basic front controls, not like with our Luna series. So if you want to find out more, you can go to audac.eu. I'm Tom, and thank you for watching.